the Shelby CLI node. So the first thing we have to do is create a new repository. So we have to create a new repository, and so we are going to name our repository Shelby that's called CLI, right? So we are going to put on the adword name. You can change this to public or private if you want. If not, just go ahead and create repository. Our repository is ready. So the next thing you have to do is go to Codespace here. You see, and if you're using your mobile, you can just search. You are going to get it somewhere around here, or you can just go to github.com/Codespaces. So you're going to, it's just going to take you direct to Codespace. So the next thing is for you to click new Codespace. Alright. So remember the repository we created just now. We're going to refer to this is it, and then we're going to pick the repository, and we are going to create the Codespace. So our Codespace is running. While our Codespace is running, we should try to get our Shelby document. Let's get our Shelby document running. So this is our Shelby CLI document. In what is requested of us is, require for us to run this is the first thing I said that the prerequisite we are asked to have Node.js and LPM installed on our IDE, right? So what we have to do is find a way to, if you are making use of your window, so you have to download Node.js and get npm node. But I'm going to drop a command that is going to install Node.js, npm, and also CLI directly. So let's check if our Codespace is ready. Still loading, setting up, so we have to wait for it. Make sure that the CLI is up before we start typing anything. So it may take a while, so you just have to be patient a little bit. Alright, so we are going to close this area because we don't need it, so that it will open up the space we need. So we'll close this, and I also don't need this area, so we close it, and we can close this. So now we are inside our CLI. So what we are supposed to do now is install the prerequisite that is required here. We need to install it. That is Node.js and npm. And to do that, I'm going to just copy the node here. So I have the command. I'm going to drop it in my GitHub guide, so it will be visible. So I'm going to my Codespace now. Sorry. And then right click and enter. Alright, so it's loading. It's still installing. Alright, so it's done installing, and we have So to install the new one, you can just run this, right? You can just copy this and alright, so it has installed successfully. Now we go to the Shelby docs. So we're supposed to run this, right? But it has already installed because the command I used just install everything. So to initialize Shelby now, so to initialize Shelby, start off by initializing CLI with Shelby init command. This will create a Shelby CLI configuration file. So we're going to copy this and then we go back to there and paste it. So checking for active CLI, checking for Node.js version. Check for active CLI. So active CLI is not found. Do you want to set up a standard Shelby? So we say yes. So now it's asking for us to enter an API key, right? So for us to get the API key, we were given an option here to get an API key. The CLI will ask you to provide an API. While optional, this step is highly recommended to avoid waiting. So even though you can skip that, but it is recommended that you create it. So we click here and open it here. So we learn to get how to get about the API key here. So this is it. We come to this place and we're given, so to navigate it, we are going to go to visit this website and then we are going to set up an account and then we are going to create our API resources and then every other thing that follows. So we'll come here and then we are going to sign up. Alright guys, so before we continue with our Google, we can just sign in with our Gmail. Let's try and sign in. Let's see how it goes. So the signing has been sent to my Gmail, so let me go and check my Gmail. Alright, so finally we're able to log in through our Gmail. So what all you have to do is click on your overview, right? When you click on your overview, you're going to see a default action. So you're going to see a default project, or you can create a new project. So let's try to create a new project. Let's call it Shelby, right? Shelby underscore CLI, and I don't think we really need a description for that, so we just create a project. So we are here and then we just click on it, and then so we have API key, we have processors, we have NFT collections and so on. So we are going to click on the API key here. So we have to fill in this information. So API key is going to be Shelby CLI. We're still maintaining that, and yeah, we are putting Shelby name. So must be 32 characters with only lowercase. So I think we have to remove this. Number or dashes underscore. Alright. create a new API key. Alright, so we have successfully created our API key. So it's a secret key that we can't share. Alright, so what so we're going to copy this and we're going to go back to remember where we stopped already. So guys, sorry that was a long process. So we are going to put this and click it. So create or update an account now. So we said yes, and so account name at default is Alice, so I can put explore, right? So click enter, signature scheme, yes, private key, leave blank to generate new key. So now I'm going to generate a new key because I don't want to use my current key. But if I want to use my current key, I can just input it here. So I'm just going to generate a new key for it. So I'm just going to put yes, and here we go. So checking for Aptos, configuration saved, everything is saved in here. To find your account shall be processed. To view your contacts or account roles. So I want to view my account now, so I'm going to click here. Let's see, because I need that account so that I can input. Okay, alright. So Oslo, this is my address, and this is my private key. So I'm going to copy this. I'm going to copy this now. Alright, so I'll go to these docs, right? And I'm going to get myself Aptos token and Shelby USD token. Okay, so I'll Control V and then font. Alright, so font is successful. I can read in Explorer if I want to. Now for this, we have to log in our Google, so we'll log in the Google. Alright, so we have logged in, and then I'm just going to impute the account again and font. Alright, so I've successfully got myself Aptos token and Shelby USD token, right? So what's next now? So if I check, if I can verify my account balance, so I have something like this. I should have something like this, right? So I'm just going to copy this, and then we are going to come to this place, verify my account. Yeah, so here we go. This is the address. This is the Explorer. And I have 10 Aptos and I have 10 Shelby USD. So alright, so now this is what we're going to create. I put hello Shelby. So it's going to create this file. It's going to create the file, my file.txt, and it's going to contain hello Shelby, right? So we are going to enter. So we already have this file right now. So now the next thing we have to do is we have to now upload the file, right? So we are going to copy this. So guys, don't worry, I'm going to drop all this in my Instagram, right? So it's just going to be easy. So what this is saying is Shelby upload my file.txt. So remember that we created my file.txt, then my first file.txt, and expired in 7 days. I assume yes, then see how it goes. Alright, so we have successfully uploaded a file, right? So we have successfully uploaded the file. It took just how many seconds? Like 44 seconds for the file to upload. And this is the Explorer. So if you click on this, you can actually view it. You have to verify that it's uploaded. So you can verify upload by clicking on Shelby Explorer links or by running the command below. So if I run this command now, it's going to show this the file name, the size, and when it's going to expire. Right? So I'm just going to click here. Let's test it out. Right, so yeah, this is it. So this is the file name. This is the size of the file, and it's going to expire February 18th. So by this time, right? So this is the address, my address, and this is the Explorer. You can check it out. So the next thing we are doing is what we have to download the file. Now, Shelby download the name of the file we are downloading and where the file is in your terminal, right? So I have it here. We're going to copy this. And then we'll go back to our terminal. So click here, right? Alright, so we have successfully downloaded the file that we uploaded. So what did we do? We created a file, we upload the file, and we also download the file. So